In a MP, Dr. R.K. Ranjan flags off India's first ever MTB cycling expedition, which will cover 4 nations on the theme Cycle for Green Earth. And joint CSIR UGC NET exam in Assam and Meghalaya has been postponed owing to the prevailing situation in the region. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Lightning Monica with the latest news updates. In MP, Dr. R.K. Ranjan flagged off India's first ever MTB cycling expedition on the theme Cycle for Green Earth, which will cover 4 nations from Kangla Western Gate and Imphal today. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, along with National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, NIMAS, Arunachal Pradesh, organized the expedition. 4 riders, led by team leader NIMAS Director Colonel Sarfraz, took part in the expedition. The team will go through Moreh and will further cycle a total of 4,000 kilometers across 4 Southeast Asian countries, namely Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, until Malaysia-Singapore border for 40 days.
It's a great opportunity for us to receive the team and to see off the team, and we wish to have a grand success and bring a good understanding among the Southeast Asian nations, particularly with the Northeast India. And I pray to God the team should reach the destinations without any disturbance and without any difficulties, and please bring the Lauren come back to the nation again with a good hope for future growth in these expeditions.
Members of Helping Hand Kanglei Park carried out protest demonstrations against enactment of Citizenship Amendment Act in the Northeast states at Singjamai Temporary Market today. The protesters displayed various placards which read, "Yes to democracy, big no to dictatorship. United we stand, divided we fall, seven sister. Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal immigrant" during the protest. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on postponement of joint CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test NET examination in Assam and Meghalaya. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. The joint CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test NET for candidates scheduled to appear in Assam and Meghalaya has been postponed due to the prevailing situation in the region. The National Testing Agency, which conducts the test, announced that the examination for these states will be held today as per the schedule. The revised date of examination will be announced soon for Assam and Meghalaya. Curfew was relaxed in Meghalaya for 13 hours in the areas falling under Lumdengri and Sardar police stations of East Khasi Hills district till 7 p.m. today. The district magistrate said that the relaxation has been given in view of the prevailing law and order situation in Meghalaya. The curfew will be imposed in these areas again. Now the sports news. Bengaluru FC will lock horns with Mumbai City in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Bengaluru's Sri Kanti Rava Stadium today at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Goa's Fatoda Stadium, Goa FC defeated ATK by 2-1. For Goa FC, Maturda Fol and Ferran Koronimas scored 1 goal each at the 60th and 66th minute. The lone goal of ATK was scored by Zobi Justin at 64th minute of the match. Thirteenth Hero I League match between Real Kashmir and Churchill Brothers is underway at Kashmir TRC turf ground since 2 this afternoon. In yesterday's league match played at Kolkata's Kalyani Stadium, East Bengal defeated Trau FC 2-1. For the winners, Marcos Martin and Marty Crespi scored 1 goal each at 17th and 89th minute of the match. The lone goal of Trau FC was netted by Deepak Dev Rani in the 45th minute of the match. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. In MP, Dr. R.K. Ranjan flags off India's first ever MTB cycling expedition, which will cover 4 nations on the theme Cycle for Green Earth. And joint CSIR UGC NET exam in Assam and Meghalaya has been postponed owing to the prevailing situation in the region.